Good morning. As I'm waiting for my intervention kids to arrive or not arrive, I thought I'd show you a few little new things on Google Classroom or Google Meets. So first off, your Google Meet code's right there, but if you hit the little security thing, you guys can toggle on or off who joins your class. So everyone who isn't invited must ask to join, including people in Hemet USD. So yesterday I had a kid from another school bomb my classroom, so I was kind of excited to see this. Um, you can make it so everyone can share their screen or not share their screen, depends on how you want to do that, and chat messages for students. If you hit the little setting thing, you can see all of your host controls here. Also, a new thing is the number of tiles you see. If you go to change layout on their three buttons, you can change the way you see the students. And if you want to see 42 kids at a time, however many, 30, however many you want to see at a time, you can change that. You can also do the auto function. It depends on what you like. Just thought I'd share that out with you guys. Those are some new functions that have just shown up in the last day.